calculate the average rate of decline in Peoria. What do we know? Anybody? Do we know what the initial amount was?
Yeah.
1,024.
This is my initial. 124,813. Do we know what it went to? 113,504. And these problems, we're just doing three. This is three more, and they're all. You need to figure out what information they've given you, and you are solving for whatever. Okay, so it declined from 1980 to that amount in 1990. Do we know what the time is? Yeah, we know. Do we know what the base is? Do we know what the rate of decline is? No. So what are we going to use? B. Okay. How do you solve that?
Divide by 124.
813. We always try to get our variable by itself, right? I mean, that's what we're always trying to do. So I have this amount. Now what do I do?
Now you
Find the 10.
Okay, can I simplify that? Maybe make it into a decimal?
yeah.
That work for you? Okay, so I'm going to do that. I just want to see. All right, are we good with that? That's approximately that quantity. It's probably a repeating or an irrational number. How do I get rid of that exponent?
You do the
To the
radical thing where
1 to the 10.
Why 1 to the 10th?
Because then it gives you 1.
Okay, nice job. Okay, so if I multiply this by 1/10, what am I going to have to do to the other side? I'm going to have to do it to the other side. So I know that if I multiply this by 10 times, raised to the 1/10th power, I have to do the same thing. Can I calculate what 0.9094 to the 1/10th is? Okay, and I would have 0.991. The $1,000,000 question now. What does that number represent? Be careful.
991 people per
Well, I know it's
year.
B.
The rate of
People per year.
is the
Per
base
decrease.
So is,
initial amount.
okay, let's change that into a percentage. So I have what? 99.1%. Is it decreasing 99% a year?
No.
It is decreasing 0.9%. Okay, it's less than 1%. It's not even 1%. So the decrease is at
Way.
is 0.9%.
Why do you have 99 written on
I changed this because we solved for B.
there?
Okay, B, I just changed it into a percent so that you could think about it as a percentage. Is it decreasing 99%? Think about it. If I had 100 people and it declined 99%, I'd have what? One person. Okay, well, these numbers didn't decrease at that huge rate. What did it decrease by? Okay, think one thing and I'll answer your question, Brad. Think about this. When we were saying things were increasing 5% a year, don't we have our original amount